Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to do this using a very simple tool called reverse direction of the interactive fill tool. I rotated this guy 45 degrees. I'm going to rotate this one. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to control D and I'm going to rotate it 22 and a half. See, I don't understand the missing lines. Maybe it's just my monitor. But then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And I'm going to nudge out of the way, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this, and I don't know why that's happening. They're not really even there. It's a ghost. Now I'm going to left click, right click. Now this one's quite a bit thicker, but this maybe will look better. Then I'm going to take my 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from that node to about the middle, and then I'm going to try to maintain that same idea. You know what? I'm going to try a different color this time. I'm going to go with red. And I'm going to fill both those in. Now I'm going to take either one of them, and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. I'm going to swipe down, and I'm going to make it yellow. Now I want pretty much the equal amount on the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my attribute eyedropper and take a sample of that and put it there. Now that made it equal. But when you go back to your interactive fill tool, this will come up and you can reverse the direction. And it's almost exactly the same. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to control G to group it. I made a duplicate. I'm going to control G, control D, alternate C to have it rotate to the center. And I'm going to rotate it 22 and a half degrees. And look at that. Plain, simple, easy. I think it acts. So this one I did 45 degrees. This one I did 22 and a half degrees. That's pretty cool, pretty fast. And you could still tweak, the one in reversing it, then you could still tweak it. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.